When you get health insurance coverage, you are required to continue paying the payments at least once every year in order to maintain the policy. However, the majority of people do not regularly do an in-depth examination of the requirements for their health coverage. They do nothing more than automatically renew their health insurance plan. During the renewal process, you will have the opportunity to evaluate your current medical coverage and determine whether or not it currently meets all of your needs. This examination really ought to be carried out on a yearly basis. If you haven't already, you should make it a point to do so once, every 2 to 3 years or whenever a significant event in your life takes place. The following are the 4 categories in which you should do such analysis. If you got married or became a parent, then you have a new family member to take care of. So make sure to get the new member added to your existing health insurance as soon as it is allowed by the insurer. You don't want to end up in a situation where you have a health claim to make for the new member but realize it late that the member is not added to your health insurance. Also, new member additions will increase your premiums, but that is normal. Let's say 5 years back you took a health insurance coverage of 2 lakh rupees. Now since then, you got married and had a child. Do you think today 2 lakh rupees coverage will be enough? There are 2 ways to increase your coverage. The first is to ask your insurer to increase the coverage amount. Remember that you can only increase the sum assured of existing cover at the time of renewal. The other option is to keep the base cover as it is and purchase super top-up insurance to enhance the overall coverage. The insurance sector is a dynamic one, and every few years, there are mergers or acquisitions of insurance companies. When this happens, your existing insurer may decide to change a few terms and conditions of the existing policies in the name of upgrade. This might lead to an increase in coverage and/or increase in premiums. This might also result in changes to the list of network hospitals and claim procedures. These changes will be announced to policyholders closer to the renewal time. So make sure you do check and review these, if any, at the time of your policy renewal. Health insurers regularly upgrade existing policies and announce new ones. Many new plans will offer benefits which may be useful for you but may not be available in your existing health cover. So it makes sense to review your current policy versus what other options are available, and you can then consider porting your policy. Porting is suggested if you find a new plan that offers benefits and features that better fit into your current requirements but are unavailable in your current insurance policy. But be careful while porting. You should ensure that you don't lose the added benefits that come from continuing with the existing health policy, like no-claim bonuses, waiting periods for pre-existing diseases, etc. But remember that if you want to port, then it can be done only at the time of renewal, and you have to inform your insurance company at least 45 days before your policy renewal date. Many people rely solely on their employer-provided health insurance. This is not the right approach. But if you have your own health coverage, even then, don't make the mistake of blindly renewing it every year. Review your health plan on factors like coverage amount, features, etc. before the policy renewal date. And if you are unsure about this, then ask your investment advisor to help you with it.